Welcome to ePlatform, now truly a whole school resource. In this video, you'll see how you can access and use the free promotional resources to help spread the word and boost engagement across the school community. Start by logging into your admin page. Click on Promotional Resources to open the full library of downloadable materials. You'll find print-ready files, digital banners, and editable templates, all designed to make promoting ePlatform easy. Print out posters and bookmarks to display in your library, classrooms, or staff room. There are general designs, as well as themed ones for decodables, wellness titles, or department-specific support tools and resources. Bookmarks can be handed out to students to take home, helping them log in later on their own devices. You'll also find editable letters to parents and email templates for staff. These are a quick way to introduce ePlatform to families and colleagues, explain the benefits, and share your school's login link or QR code. It's a great way to encourage use beyond just the library. There is even one especially for your refugee and immigrant families, to advise them that they can all learn English and read together at home. Alert your staff that ePlatform is live and to advocate to use school-wide and at home. Encourage staff to model good reading habits to the students. You can use digital banners on your school's website, intranet, or LMS. They're a great visual reminder that eBooks and audiobooks are available 24/7. Just download the banner that fits your platform and upload it where your students will see it. You can also download social media graphics to share in newsletters or on school channels. Highlight new releases, promote themed collections, or remind students to download the ePlatform app. These images are easy to personalize and perfect for raising awareness school-wide. And that's it. Use the promotional resources to increase awareness, encourage reading, and help your whole school get the most out of ePlatform.